Wild Army, Wildman Gaz here, boots on the ground. It's a really old church. This church is actually 900 years old today. It's got a lot of history about Bonnie Prince Charlie, but the church warden's actually opened this main tower and he says I can go and have a look at the bells, which is really kind of him. Got a lot of history, there's bullet holes in it and everything from Bonnie Prince Charlie. Some crazy inscriptions on the walls. I'm not sure what they say. I'm going to try and zoom in on them and hopefully we can make it out. This is an old boy. I'm actually in Mayfield. I've got to be careful with my zoom, guys, because it's playing up. Don't know if you can make that out. I'll have to have a look at it. It says Sir something JB 072. That's a date of some sort, I don't know. Got the old flag flying, guys. Really hope my camera doesn't start playing up, because it has been a bit funny with the zoom. A little bit of history here. Don't know if you want to pause it on that. Sorry guys. If you want to pause it on that. Built in 1125, Olivia Bar and Moore. Thomas rolling out of the tower 1515. Contained a single bell. The tower door bears bullet holes reputedly from Bonnie Prince Charlie's troops who passed through the area in 1745. So yeah, crazy bit of history, guys. We've actually got another old world inscription here from 1616. It's so kind of this guy, I can't remember his name, but he's actually opened this. That looks like the Omega sign there. So I'll have to try and make that out when I get home, guys. I can't really make it out here. But it was so kind of him. I'm actually going to have a look at the bells now. God bless him. I think he said his name was Derek. Nobby, I'm going to look at the bells. Look at these doors, guys, they're massive. And they're the bullet holes. Now they are from Bonnie Prince Charlie's bullet gun, apparently. Crazy. Right. Now he says I've got about 10 minutes. Check this out, guys. Oh, look at that old door. How awesome is this? You get a chance to go and have a look at the bell tower. So let's go and check these old world bells out, guys. Luckily I've brought my torch. Oh wow. Beautiful old spiral staircase. We've got the rope. Rope effect. Oh guys. This is awesome. Really tight, you know. Tight spiral staircase. Oh, we've actually got lighting up here, bless. Sure, oh, it just goes. It just keeps going. Not very often you get a chance going these bell towers, you know, especially in a church from the 1100s. Treading all over my wire. Sorry guys, let the microphone come out. I've squashed it. 2 seconds. Bear with me people, sorry about that. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Man, that was tight. Guys, look at that. Let's see the first part of it. Look at this, guys. How cool's that? This is ancient. Old world clock. Ticking away. I think it can actually go up further, you know. He did say there was a... here we go. He said I could actually go in here, which is so kind of him. Man, this is a tight squeeze. Sorry if it's gone dark, guys. There we go. Really tight squeeze this. Oh wow. Oh, does this go? Seconds, guys. Sorry about that, bit of an impromptu video there. Oh wow, look at this. I'm actually in the belfry, guys, look at that. Got the bowls. No way, look at this, guys. Can't really see it without the torch. Actually inside the main tower we've got 4 bells here. What's that one say on it? Taylor and Co. Absolutely awesome. Really tight though. Actually goes up a bit further, but I'm not too sure what's up here. Guys, on the church roof. How cool's that? And windy too. Bonkers. Right, got to be careful now, guys, because this is really tight. What an awesome dive for letting you come and see that. Sure everything's locked up. Oiii. Torch is on in my pocket. Absolutely awesome. Them bells go off now, that would be awesome, that would be great. But them bells, guys. So happy about that. So how many have we got? So we've actually got one on a bell there, bell there. They actually look set in place. Got the other bell here. Survivors, guys, survivors. Not very often you get a chance to do this, is it? Crazy. Bit of an awesome explorer. Look at the work in it. The old warden. I can hear him now. Let's take a look around. Let me just pick this up here, guys. I think they've got a bit of a do on later. So old one-handed this. Now with me, people. Make sure I lock everything back up. Those bowls, guys, those bowls. Look at that bad boy. Just lock it up now. Leave everything as was. Well, got a long way down now. Hope you enjoyed that little bit of an explore. So what we got? Bells, bullet holes, Bonnie Bridge, Charlie. Awesome stuff. And as we go further down here, so we come to this. I'll make sure I lock everything back up. Like I say, it was kind of him let me come up here. Love that. ancient. Ancient and awesome. Even got a Dyson. Bless them. Oh, I love ringing them. They're not the timer though, guys. I can't really go ringing them. I'm tempted, but the people are downstairs and they've let me come in here, so I've got to be respectful. As much as I'd love ring that, look at that, guys. Big drop there. Make our way back out. I hope this comes out alright, because I dropped my microphone at the start of it. Probably hear me kicking the microphone round. God, no, why is this tower? Absolutely awesome. This door. I really need to have a look at that inscriptions. It's probably getting up pretty windy now, guys. Absolutely awesome little church, that. Should go take a quick look inside. Really old organ here. Be careful though, because a lot of children about. I don't want to be getting children on camera. That's where we've just been. Top of that. Just out looking for old world history. Remnants of the old world. Hidden past.
Can I go and lock that tower?
Yes. Thank you for that.
Yeah.
Lovely up there, brilliant.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Oh.
The only thing is I don't want someone going up there and jumping off.
Yeah, I've locked it all up anyway.
Okay.
It's just this main door, I've locked all the others up. Brilliant.
Oh yeah.
What lovely people letting me go up there. Not very often you get a chance. Look at this old organ, guys. Brilliant. Oh, thank you for that. Look at that. Ancient. This is an old boy. Apparently this piece here, there's only 3 of these in the whole country. It's a three-sided something. Oh, now the bells are going. Oh, nearly caught them as well, guys. Crazy. Oh, look at that old book there. The old Bible, the good book. Beautiful, beautiful wood carving in here. Ten Commandments. Absolutely awesome. Got Exodus that side. Got the Ten Commandments in here, guys. Absolutely brilliant. What an awesome, awesome place. Beautiful, beautiful old church. That's what we've just been up. There's a diagram of what we've just seen. Quite lucky to see that, you know. Right, I'm going to start making my way out now because these guys are getting ready for...
Sorry?
I'm just talking to... People think I'm talking to myself when I'm walking around, you know. Thank you for that. I'll leave you in peace now.
Okay.
Have a good day. Yeah, thank you. I've spotted it. Take care. Bye. Brilliant, that. Awesome place. Thank you for that.
Okay, fine.
Bless you.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day. Bye-bye. Awesome people. Right, I'm going round here. Got my rucksack now. Crazy inscriptions. I'd love to know what they say. Well, I'm going to end the video there, guys, because we got up to the bell tower. Lovely little explore that. Seen the bullet holes from Bonnie Prince Charlie. Crazy little explore. Church Mayfield Church. Bit of a different one for the Wild Army, I know. But I enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed it. Not very often you get a chance to do that, you know. Oh guys, this wind's picking up now. Right, I'm going to sign off for now. I'll see you in the next video. Hope you enjoyed that little explore. Sorry about the start. It was a bit of an impromptu one, so my microphone fell on the floor. But we managed to get to the bowels. Beautiful little explore. I enjoyed it. Right, take care guys. Till the next video. God bless you all. This is the Wild Army UK out looking for buried truth, hidden secrets, old world. And you don't get much older than that, guys. 1100s, 900 years old today. Bonkers. Right, have a good one guys. Big love to you. See you in the next vid. Oi oi.